Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change rent amount on Flex. First, unlock your iPhone and open Flex app. Log in using your email and password if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the home screen, look for the rent amount displayed at the top. Tap on your recent details or payment schedule to open your account information. Some users can edit their recent directly. If you see an edit rent or update rent amount option, tap it, enter your new rent amount, then save the change. If there is no edit option, that means your rent is linked to your property manager or landlord. In this case, the rent amount must be updated by them first. You will need to contact your landlord or property manager and ask them to update your rent in Flex. If your landlord already updated the rent and it's still looking wrong, tap help and support in the app. You can chat with or email Flex support to request a connection or a correction, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.